In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the ERR connection closed error in Google Chrome. If you've ever encountered this issue, you know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to browse the web and suddenly your connection drops. But don't worry, with a few simple steps, you'll have your browser back up and running smoothly. First things first, let's make sure your internet connection itself is stable. Sometimes the problem might not be with your browser, but with your router or modem. Go ahead and check if your Wi-Fi or wired connection is working properly. You can do this by trying to connect another device to your network. If that device works fine, then we can be certain the issue lies with your computer or browser. Now, once we've confirmed that your internet connection is stable, let's move on to looking at Google Chrome settings. One effective way to resolve this error is by clearing your browser cache and cookies. To do this, open Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, then head over to More Tools and click on Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time to remove everything, and make sure both cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Then, click on Clear Data. This will refresh your browser and often resolve connectivity issues. If you've cleared your cache and cookies but are still seeing the error, don't worry. The next step is to disable any extensions that might be causing interference. Extensions can slow down your browser or create conflicts that lead to errors like this. So go back to the menu by clicking the three dots, then More Tools, and finally, Extensions. Here you'll see all the extensions you have installed. Try disabling them one by one and checking if the problem persists. After trying these, if your browser is still not connecting, you might need to reset your network settings. Doing this can resolve deeper network configuration issues. To reset the network settings on Windows, open the command prompt as an administrator. Once it's open, type the following command: netwinsock reset. Press Enter, and this will reset your network stack. Then, restart your computer to let the changes take effect. In some cases, it might also help to update Google Chrome. Keeping your browser up to date is crucial as developers constantly release new versions to fix bugs and improve performance. To check for updates, click on the three dots again, go to Help, and then About Google Chrome. Here, Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. These steps should help you resolve the ERR connection closed error and get you back to browsing the web without interruptions. With these handy tools in your arsenal, you can tackle any connection hiccup with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips.